And these three states are Telangana, West Bengal, and Karnataka. It's not coincidental, sir, that all three states are governed by non-BJP political parties. And I have no qualms or hesitation in saying that BJP and women empowerment simply don't align and is rather paradoxical. So now I come to D, deprive, like the honorable member has deprived. Yes. Sir, D for deprive. Yes. You spent 20,000 crore on revamping Central Vista. You did this to improve the homes of the rich.
Please listen.
Influential
please.
and powerful. What have you done for the homeless in the cities, in the towns, in the villages?
Please सुनिए. जो इस सदन का एक मिनट. जो इस सदन का मेंबर नहीं है, आप इनका बारे में बोल नहीं सकता है. प्लीज. ये सर रिकॉर्ड से निकाल दिया जाएगा. ये रिकॉर्ड से निकाल दिया जाएगा.
ममता बनर्जी
जो इस सदन का मेंबर नहीं है, you please don't mention. Please don't. Dada, please go. Please go back. Please. आपको please. Soumitra Khan ji, please go to your seat, please. Dada, please. Soumitra Khan ji, please. Soumitra Khan जी, आप लोग भी बैठे. हम आसान से खड़ा हो गए. आप ठीक है साहब, ये उतार दीजिए. प्लीज सौमित्र खान जी.
चलिए मानिए प्लीज कल्याण जी प्लीज. आपके सदस्य बोल रहे हैं. प्लीज.
सर मैं एक चीज स्पष्ट कर देता हूँ. सर चेयरमैन सर ने बोला जो इस सदन की मेंबर नहीं है,
एक मिनट,
सदस्य नहीं है.
एक मिनट
सर एक बार सुनिए.
एक मिनट प्लीज. माननीय सदस्य आप भी बैठ जाए. एक मिनट. माननीय सदस्यगण, हमें ये प्रयास करना चाहिए कि जो इस सदन का सदस्य नहीं हो उसके बारे में टिप्पणी नहीं करें. सभी लोग इसकी पालन करने का प्रयास करें.
सर मैं एक
प्लीज बोल दिया ना सबको. बोल दिया.
सर
आप हम लोग को बोलते हैं, बीजेपी लोग जब करते हैं आप लोग कुछ नहीं बोलते. क्यों नहीं? एक मिनट. आप उनको नहीं बोलने देना चाहते, आप उनको डिस्टर्बेंस कर रहे हैं. प्लीज. अभिषेक जी एक मिनट. अभिषेक जी एक मिनट. मैंने सभी माननीय सदस्यों को आप डायरेक्शन देंगे क्या मुझे? नो. प्लीज बैठिए. प्लीज माननीय, ऐसे मत कीजिए प्लीज. ऐसे माननीय सदस्य मेरे मत थपाइए. जब आपको बोल दिया बैठना है तो बैठना है. अभिषेक जी
मैं एक चीज से स्पष्ट करता हूं. ऑनरेबल चेयरमैन सर ने बोला जो इस सदन के सदस्य नहीं है, कोई भी सदस्य उनके खिलाफ कोई टिप्पणी नहीं करेगा. सर मैं आपसे इतना पूछना चाहता हूं, पश्चिम बंगाल के चीफ मिनिस्टर ममता बनर्जी सदन के सदस्य है? नहीं है. तो उन्होंने क्यों टिप्पणी किया? सर आप अपना पद का मान रखिए. सर उनको उठ के बोलिए माफी मांगेगा. Then I'll continue my speech. No, sir. You have to intervene. Sir, you're the speaker. You are the speaker of this house. No, sir.
एक मिनट प्लीज.
मैं हाथ जोड़ के.
प्लीज
आग्रह करता हूं, विनम्र रूप से मैं आग्रह करता हूं. सर उनको बोलिए आप स्पीकर के नाते, अध्यक्ष के नाते इस सदन का गरिमा के लिए आप उनको बोलिए उठ के वो माफी मांगेगा.
नहीं प्लीज आपको कंटिन्यूस करना है तो करिए। उनका नाम सदन के रिकॉर्ड से निकाल दिया है, नहीं करना है तो आप डायरेक्शन मत दिए कि उनको माफी मंगाई। आप मुझे डायरेक्शन नहीं दे सकते। मैंने उनका नाम निकाल दिया, ऐसे कई बार हुआ है सदन में, पहले निकाल दिया है।
Sir, D for deprive. You spent 2,000 crore on revamping Central Vista. You did this to improve the homes of the rich, influential, and powerful. What have you done for the homeless in the cities, towns, and villages? Why have you deprived the homeless across India and Bengal? You are not only visionless and shameless. You are not.
एक मिनट
Sir, he is not even listening to you.
अब क्यों डिस्टर्ब? मैं बाद में आपकी बात सुन लूंगा।
Sir, he is not
आपकी
even
बात सुन
listening to
लूंगा।
Sir, so
नहीं सब निकाल देंगे, प्लीज
Sir.
निकाल देंगे।
सर ये तो आपका बात भी नहीं सुन रहा है। डिप्राइविंग रूरल पुअर, मोदी जी की तीसरी बार गरीबों के ऊपर लगातार अत्याचार। सर, ओवर द पास्ट डिकेड, the BJP-led central government has made its Bangla Birodi stance abundantly clear by deliberately depriving people and abusing power to suppress Bengal's voice. They have made an array of hollow promises, disrespected Bengal's culture, and hatched continuous conspiracies to tarnish the state's image. Failing to fight us politically, you declared an all-out war on our rural poor, depriving them of roti, kapda, and makan. Sir, Honorable Finance Minister gave a statement today in Rajya Sabha saying that Bengal has failed to implement the scheme that Central has aided in the last 10 years. Sir, I challenge the Honorable Finance Minister if she can release the white paper of how many dime, penny, or rupees the central government has given to Bengal after its embarrassing defeat in the West Bengal legislative elections in 2021. Sir, in the last 3 years, let me put this on record. And sir, मैं कुछ बोलूँगा वो सही हो सकता है, आप उसके टिप्पणी करेंगे वो सही हो सकता है, गलत हो सकता है। सर, कागज तो झूठ नहीं कहता है। मैं बस इतना कह रहा हूँ कि 2021 में आपने बंगाल में हारने के बाद आपने मनरेगा के लिए बंगाल में कितना पैसा दिया, और आवास योजना में 2021-22, 22-23, 23-24 फाइनेंशियल वर्ष में आपने अगर साबित कर दिया व्हाइट पेपर रिलीज करके कि 10 पैसा दिया है, 10 पैसा। सर देखिए, मैं व्हाइट पेपर मांग रहा हूं, ये चिल्ला रहे, अरे भैया व्हाइट पेपर दे दो, व्हाइट पेपर दे दो, कहानी खत्म। सर, जिसके पास कागज नहीं होगा, सर व्हाइट पेपर मांग रहे, सर व्हाइट पेपर मांग रहे, चिल्ला रहे, इनके पास कागज नहीं है और पूरा देश से कागज मांग रहा है सीए का नाम पे। ये बीजेपी है, ये बीजेपी है।
आप बीच-बीच में मत टोकिए।
Sir, Manrega funds to the tune of 6,913 crore have been forcefully withheld, denying wages to more than 59 lakh workers over the past 3 years. Sir, 11 lakh 36,000 eligible families have been deprived of a roof over their heads as 8,140 crore rupees under PM Awas Yojana have been deliberately halted. Sir, the government withheld the release of over 800 crore under the National Health Mission due to non-compliance and certain color branding guidelines for health and wellness centers, despite other conditions being duly met. Sir, despite 334 central and NLM teams visiting West Bengal in the last 3 years, and ATRs being submitted on time by concerned departments of the state government against every observation that was made by the center, still no funds have been released. Official interactions with the Honorable Prime Minister and the other BJP ministers of the concerned department were met with dismissive attitude and constant rejection. Our leaders fighting for the people of Bengal were even detained in Delhi by Delhi police. Even women MPs were manhandled and dragged by their hair. And this BJP talks about Nari Shakti. So the finance minister yesterday in a speech proposed flood control initiatives for states like Bihar, Assam, Himachal Pradesh, Sikkim, and Uttarakhand, sir. Unsurprisingly, Bengal was once again left out in spite of northern part of Bengal being one of the most worst flood-affected areas. Despite 6 out of 8 MPs from PCs that falls under the northern part of Bengal being from BJP, this is the kind of discrimination meted out to our state. I hope people of Jalpaiguri and Alipurduar are watching this and listening to what I'm saying. The finance minister, as long as we stand as people's representative, the rights of Bengal's people cannot be taken away. The state government of West Bengal has already cleared the pending wages of 59 lakh Manrega workers from its own treasury. It has also been decided that the first installment of funds for the construction of houses shall be released by 31st December 2024, which is by end of this year. In 2022 and 2023, under the Pathoshri scheme, 26,486 kilometers of rural roads were constructed and repaired, and a financial outlay of 6,448 crore. Sir, depriving women, vanchit ho rahe desh ki nari, khule ghum rahe shoshankari. You have 240 MPs in parliament. If you had implemented the 1/3 quota as per the Women's Reservation Bill, the BJP would have had 80 women MPs. But how many do they have? They have just 31, which is a mere 13% of their total strength. And compare this to the Trinamool Congress, sir, which boasts not 1%, 5%, 10%, 13%, 15%, 20%, 25%. Sir, it has 38% women MPs in Lok Sabha. Last year, a special session was convened to pass the Women's Reservation Bill. Yet the BJP failed to implement it in spirit. In West Bengal, we demonstrated that where there's a will, there is a way. We achieved substantial female representation without grandstanding in the media. That's the difference. Sir, this government is depriving the students. तीसरी बार मोदी सरकार खो गया है शिक्षा का अधिकार. Sir, the inability to conduct NEET is one of the biggest failures of this government, jeopardizing the future of almost 33 lakh bright students. India parties, we all of us in the opposition, demanded a discussion on this in Parliament, but hardly a word from the Honorable Prime Minister on this issue. Sir, our CM wrote to the PM for scrapping NEET in favor of reverting to a system where state government conducts their own medical tests. Sir, more than 12,000 vacancies in Kendriya Vidyalayas nationwide are yet to be filled in. Sir, more than 7,50,000 vacancies for teaching posts nationwide from class 1 to class 8. More than 1,20,000 vacancies for teaching posts in UP alone from class 1 to class 8. Students account for 8% of total suicide victims.